buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop on the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seats. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist, push end to buckle, and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft,